So in this problem, we've been given a matrix over here, and you're supposed to express it as a sum of a symmetric and a skew-symmetric matrix. So we've been given a 3 by 3 matrix over here. So all we have to do now is you're supposed to take this matrix and name it as A first. So now let's find the transpose of A. When you're finding the transpose of A, you just have to remember that you're supposed to make the row into the column and the column into the row. So once you've done that, all you have to do is first take A plus A dash. So once you take an A plus A dash, remember that when it's adding two matrices, you just have to add the two corresponding elements alone. So once you add the two matrices, you're going to end up with a matrix like this. So all you have to do now is multiply with 1 by 2. So after you're done multiplying with 1 by 2, you're going to end up with a matrix like this. Now this is a symmetric matrix. Okay, so as you can see, even if you take a transpose of this matrix, it's going to be the exact same matrix. So there's not going to be any change. So before and after the transpose is going to be the same. So now let's get a skew-symmetric matrix. So to get a skew-symmetric matrix, remember that you're supposed to do A minus A dash. So when you're doing A minus A dash, we're going to just have to subtract these two matrices, and you only have to subtract the corresponding elements alone. So once you've done that, you're going to end up with a matrix that looks like this. So now you just have to multiply with 1 by 2. So once you multiply with 1 by 2, you're going to get a skew-symmetric matrix. As you can see, after this matrix, after you take the transpose and only after you multiply with a minus 1 will you get the same matrix again. So we can say that this is a skew-symmetric matrix. So now what we're going to do is we're going to express the initial matrix in the form of a symmetric matrix plus a skew-symmetric matrix. So now what's going to happen is we're just going to substitute the matrices which we got earlier, and now we can say that we've expressed the value of A, which is the initial matrix, in the form of a symmetric and a skew-symmetric matrix. So that's your answer. So in this problem, all you have to remember is how to form a symmetric and a skew-symmetric matrix. For symmetric, all you have to do is you're supposed to do 1 by 2 into A plus A dash, and for skew-symmetric, it's 1 by 2 into A plus A minus A dash. That's it. Super.